Hello students. Now today on your request I have taken the topic equivalence class from the chapter relations and functions. Now first let us know what is this definition of equivalence class. It is defined as an equivalence relation. The definition of equivalence class is it is an equivalence relation R defined on a set A, partitions the set A into pair-wise disjoint subsets. These subsets are called equivalence classes determined by the relation R. So who will determine? It is the relation R. And what type of relation is this R? It is an equivalence relation. Now the set of all elements of A related to the elements of small a belongs to capital A is denoted by this square bracket A. So this square bracket A is the notation for equivalence class. Now the important part is this mathematical definition. Now how do we define mathematically? Square bracket A is equal to curly braces x belongs to capital A. And as I told you that x belongs to A means we have to find the value of x, and this x belongs to the set A, and such that this ordered pair XA belongs to R. Remember, this R is an equivalence relation. So this is called equivalence class. Now let us understand this definition through an example. Now the example is, let set Z. How the set is defined? It is Z. Now this R is equal to curly braces ordered pair such that 2 divides A minus B. Write the equivalence class 0. Now as I told you that if I have to find this equivalence class, that means this relation R is an equivalence relation. This relation R is an equivalence relation. So just to go through what is reflexive, AA belongs to R. That means 2 divides A minus A, AA. So here also A. So A minus A, how it is defined? 2 divides A minus B. So it will be A minus A upon 2, 0, and 0, it is correct. Symmetric, AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. AB belongs to R means A minus B divided by 2, and if it is divided by 2, that means it must be a multiple of 2. So suppose A minus B divided by 2 gives us 2 lambda. Then what this BA will give us? BA belongs to R. B minus A divided by 2, and it will give you minus 2 lambda. Okay.